What's up guys, TechRax here. In this video we got an iPhone 10 here in my hands, and right now we're going to be dropping this off the tallest bridge in California. Guys, there's no case on this phone, no fishing line, nothing. It's just a super tall bridge. I want to show you guys a little bit of just the inside look. How tall this really is. Beautiful view. Okay guys, so here's the phone. We're going to be recording on it as well, just to get the footage, hopefully. I'm literally putting this camera through the metal frames here off the bridge, as you guys can see. So my camera is sticking out completely out. So let's go ahead and drop it in 3, 2, 1. I didn't even see where it went. I can't see anything. It definitely fell. Small update, so we're still hiking down trying to find the phone. It's on this other side, so just a little progress clip. We're on the trail. Let's keep searching. Okay, so we see it. I actually don't see it. We just spent like an hour and a half searching this area. Find My iCloud doesn't work because the phone isn't connected to the internet. But oh, bro, you good? You good? Dude, are you okay? Was it on the ledge or something? You good though, right? Man, we thought it was over there somewhere, but that was like a bottle cap, and we've just been searching this entire vicinity. Sun is almost down. I still don't see it. You saw it from some ledge. Just make sure you're good, man. I don't want you falling. No. Oh my. It's there, no way. Bro, is it cracked? So let's go ahead and take a look at the phone, guys. This is insane. I've never seen a phone drop from this height, no case. This is what happens. The iPhone 10, you got this huge crater here in the back of the phone. The battery is definitely penetrated because it's really warm. The glass on the back of the phone is cracked, same with the front. It still works though. Man, the frame is not really bent at all, but let me go ahead and try and unlock the phone. Everything still works. Is the video on there? The video is on there as well. So let's go ahead and drop it in 3, 2, 1. That is amazing, guys. So that wraps it up. Thanks for watching. As always, stay tuned for more videos. That's it for the iPhone 10 drop test from this tall bridge. I hope you guys enjoy this video. As always, peace out.